Hi, this is an overview of how to instantiate prefabs at runtime in Unity 3D. The reason for this overview is because one of my viewers out there would like to know why. Let me show you his email. And right here, that's his comment. Bro, why are the Instantiate Prefab not looking like the thumbnails on YouTube? Can you show me how it's done? Okay, so let me get that sorted for him. Okay, the reason why the instantiated prefab is not looking like that is because I haven't, or I did not actually push down the plane. This is the plane. Can you see that? So the one in red, if I push it down, there we go. That is it. It's looking like my thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to stop it and run it one more time. So first thing first, I'm going to push this down. That's it. And when I run it now, this is what you will see. So run the program. There we go. It's in game view. So let's go to scene. There we go. Look at that. All right, that's all. I just did not push the plane down. So I believe I've answered your question, and thanks for your comment. Have a nice day.